In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit to send emails. We'll walk through how to send a one-time email broadcast, which is perfect for weekly newsletters, important announcements, or any time-sensitive update you want to send to your audience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank screen to a scheduled or sent email without missing anything important. First, once you're logged into Kit, head to the Send section, then choose Broadcasts. This is the area you'll use anytime you want to send a one-off email to a group of people, rather than an automated sequence. On the Broadcasts page, look for the option to create a new one and click New Broadcast. This opens up a fresh email for you to work with. Think of this as your starting canvas for the message you're about to send. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. You can either pick one of the existing templates, which is useful if you want a more designed look with images or sections, or choose the Starting Point option. Starting Point gives you a clean, text-based layout that feels more like a personal email, which often works really well for newsletters and quick updates. Once your layout is ready, start writing your content in the email body. This is where you add your main message, links, and any key information you want your subscribers to know. Take a moment to make sure it's clear, easy to read, and focused on a single goal, like getting people to read a new article or respond to an announcement. Now, add your subject line. This is crucial because it's what your subscribers see first in their inbox. Kit gives you a helpful option here. You can use the small flask icon to set up an A/B test for subject lines. That means you can write two different subject lines and let Kit test which one performs better, helping you improve open rates over time. When you're happy with the content and subject line, click Continue to move on to your recipients. Here, you can choose all subscribers if you want everyone to receive this email, or you can narrow it down using specific tags. For example, you might send it only to customers, only to leads, or only to a particular interest group. Taking a moment to target the right people helps keep your list engaged. After choosing your recipients, click Continue again. Now you'll see options to either send the email immediately or schedule it for later. Sending now is great for time-sensitive updates, while scheduling is useful if you want your email to land at a specific day and time, like early morning in your subscriber's time zone. Once you've double-checked your content, subject line, recipients, and timing, you're ready to confirm and let Kit handle the rest.